Today I'm going to show you how to back up your waypoints, routes, tracks and trips in a B&G plotter, in this case the Zeus 3S. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we've got a memory card inside one of the two slots of the plotter, and we need to know exactly which slot we're in and that we're saving to. Then we need to use either the Pages key on the keypad or on the screen to navigate to the storage menu here on the left, and then to the Waypoints tab. This page gives us a summary of all of the waypoints, routes, tracks and trips stored in the machine, as well as the amount of space that we've used. And here we have two options: either to export a region by dragging and selecting the area that we want to export from, or alternatively we can hit export to take every bit of data out of the machine. Next, we need to decide which format we're exporting in. So by default, we're using the user data file version 6, or the USR file, which is a proprietary Navico file for Lowrance, Simrad and B&G. If we're exporting to another brand or maybe to a PC, we can select the GPX format, which is a more common standard. When we're ready, we press export, choose the destination folder, in this case the memory card slot in the top, give the file a name that we will remember, so I'll just use 123 here, and that's saved. If we need to import these tracks at any time, we can simply navigate again to the storage menu, select the card that the file is stored on, and then the file itself, and we have the option here to import, and there we go, everything brought back into the plotter just as it was when I saved that